Where we live, we've had a horrible spring drought that I simply don't remember in my lifetime. Having hardly any rain in the springtime has meant that the kittens have not experienced a storm until the other night. After returning home from business travel, I am sleeping on the couch and the kittens have continued to join me. But they have no idea what the noises are outside the window. And Tilly ushers them to safety, this time with Michelle and Pippa. Because I was gone and they slept in there, this is now the safe space. Especially since Pippa, the alpha, welcomed them in. Well, sort of. You usually think of dogs barking and going crazy when there's a big storm, or fireworks like what will happen next week. But Pippa is generally unfazed by the events outside the window. Although there have been times that she's winced a little when laying with Michelle during a thunderstorm, if it's particularly loud. Tilly doesn't care all that much either. She's bringing toys up to the bed. But the kittens have never heard these sounds before. It takes cats a few times to learn the new sounds they hear to determine if they are a threat to them. After they experience the new sounds, cats identify it, catalog it, and then ignore it, if it didn't hurt them previously and they know what it is. But these kittens have never experienced this before, so they are scared. At some point, little Daphne, who's a little daddy's girl, broke from the rest of the group and came downstairs to me where I slept for the remainder of the storm. Next week on the 4th of July, we will be at home with the cats. The kittens haven't really experienced that fun yet either, and we want them to feel safe and know it's not a threat to them. Like with any storm, it passes, and the kittens woke up in the territory safe and sound. So the next time this happens, they'll know it's all okay. We post our cat stories often, so subscribe to join the pride. Scratch out some comments down below. Use your mouse to share this video, and put your paws in that like button. Also, we are doing our next live stream this Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern. Hope you can join us there, and we'll see you in the next video.